What's going on, guys? Roman the Romer here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start selling on Amazon for $0. So start to finish, how to find products, how to make them available for sale, and how to start making money in your first week. So go ahead and follow me here. What we're going to focus on, if you guys don't know me already, I'm the best bookseller in the game. I'm the best bookseller in the book selling community. That's my self-proclaimed title. I've sold over $700,000 worth of books, and that number continues to go up.
Sir, and welcome to the freaking well show, and party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell code.
So we're going to start with books. I'm going to show you guys how to get these books for free. First, you want to download this app called ScoutIQ. Now, ScoutIQ is it's a paid app, but you can use it for free for 14 days. So there is a link below. So if you guys want to go out, test the waters with this business, you can start with no cost because you can get a free trial and then cancel it if you feel like it's not worth it. So this is, I'm holding my promise, everything I'm going to show you guys today is 100% free, so you're not going to spend a dime. So this app is the way it works. You scan books and it tells you how much profit is. So in the top left corner it tells you if you sold this book on Amazon, that's how much profit you would make. Now this book sells for about $15. At the end of the day, you could probably make anywhere from $3 to $6 selling this book. So if you get this book for free, obviously, you're gonna pick it up, you're gonna list it on Amazon. There's also books with no barcodes. I'll actually show you guys how to scan books with no barcodes later in this video. I'll put that there. We'll go revisit that in a second. But there's certain books you don't want to sell. For example, Tony Robbins, great guy, but his books aren't always profitable, this book especially, because this book is such a popular book. It's going to turn red when it's not profitable, negative 82 cents profit. So a lot of times, books like Harry Potter, books like Tony Robbins, super popular books, it's basic economics. If the supply goes up, the price goes down. Does that make sense? The more people, the more competition, if everybody's trying to sell one book, the price is going to decrease. So scan everything. So you're going to go into the thrift store, libraries. I'll show you guys all the different places you can get these free books. And we're going to focus on free techniques today. We're not going to talk about techniques we can spend a lot of money to make a lot of money. We're going to talk about free techniques. But just know you're going to walk into places that have a lot of books, and you want to have this app on your phone so you can scan them. I'll also give you guys another alternative in a second for a free app, but just know the reason why I use this app is it saves so much time because this top line right here, it turns green if it's good, red if it's bad. It's super easy to use. Okay, so we're going to go over a couple different sourcing techniques. Where we at here? Okay, so you guys have downloaded ScoutIQ. You have the Amazon Seller app on your phone. I didn't talk about that yet. Download the Amazon Seller app as well because you're going to need that to list the book. So go ahead and download the Amazon Seller app. Also, download the app Nextdoor. Nextdoor is like Craigslist on steroids. Nextdoor is a community-based app. Think about it like, I used to run a landscaping company, and I got most of my clients from one Facebook group. So think of this as like, and the Facebook group was part of a community in Nashville, Tennessee, a very tight-knit community where people trusted each other. This is where people would post about lost dogs, lost cats, who to refer to for a plumber. It's a very trusted app because one of the most powerful things in business is word of mouth. So this app allows word of mouth, and what's more important than word of mouth, does it matter who tells you something when it comes to referring businesses? Of course it does. If somebody you trust, if your sister and you trust your sister, if she tells you, go to this business, you're going to go. You're not even going to question it. Now, if a homeless person in the street comes up to you and says, go to this business, you're going to be like, dude, who are you? So Nextdoor, the difference between Nextdoor and Craigslist. Craigslist is great too, but Nextdoor has trust behind it because it just naturally, like, your neighbors are referring businesses to you. Your neighbors are asking you questions. So you're gonna trust this. People in this app are gonna trust you more. So this is a very, very powerful app. I believe this alone, for all the booksellers out there, it's my goal to have 100 full-time Amazon booksellers, and I believe that this app alone could really make several people full-time because there's this book, it's called The Blue Ocean. It's all about don't compete with other people. Don't compete. If you're starting a business, don't compete with all the other businesses. Don't do what all the other businesses are doing. Don't go after all their customers. Start finding your own unique demand. Start finding your own unique customer. So Nextdoor, what this does is you're kind of opening up this opportunity to find new customers, because Nextdoor is just your zip code and they're just going to be referring people to you. I guarantee there's not going to be too many booksellers competing with you in Nextdoor. So very powerful app. Download that. Next is Craigslist. Craigslist, you're going to go to books and then go to wanted by owner. I don't know if it's in that order. It might be wanted by owner and then books, but just make sure those two things are there, and that's how you post on Craigslist for free. For both of these apps, what you're going to do is you're going to go in, and even for Facebook Marketplace, I don't think you can post in Facebook Marketplace. I always get my posts taken down. But for these two apps, what you can do is you can say, I want free books. Don't say I want free books. Don't phrase it like that. But that's what you want. You want free books. Say, I will pick up your books for free. I will pick up books for, capital letters, put free, something along those lines. My business will remove all of your books at no charge. So you're going to want to post that on Nextdoor, Craigslist. Again, Nextdoor, you're going to build a brand, a reputation. So it's very important when you meet with these people, be very nice, shake their hand, just do everything you can to leave a good impression. Craigslist is a little bit different. Craigslist is sketchy. Women, be careful. There's some creeps on Craigslist. So be very careful. Craigslist is just a sketchier app. But there's people, when people are desperate, when people want to get rid of a lot of shit, they go on Craigslist because they know somebody's going to come and pick it up. So go on Craigslist and put the same exact thing. Book removal service, something along those lines. I will pick up your books for free. Boom, you're good to go there. EstateSales.net. EstateSales.net is going to show you where all the estate sales are. They also have an app that's called Yard Sale Treasure Map. I'll write that down here for you guys. Yard Sale Treasure Map. Great app. It shows you all the garage sales and I believe estate sales too. This is either partnered with Craigslist or EstateSales.net. I'm not sure which one. But Yard Sale Treasure Map is great. So for both of these, whether you use the app or the website, find these estate sales, call the companies up and say, hey, look, I run a book business and I know that you guys do estate sales, and afterwards I would like to take all the books at no charge. I'll come in and I will remove all the books. I won't charge you guys anything because these books have likely been looked over by people. Maybe a bookseller hasn't gone in there, but you're likely to find profit and you're going to take them away for free. The benefit of this is they do not want to take the books out themselves. You got to think. Books are heavy, so when they have 100 or 1,000 books in a house, it is such a pain for them to load these up into boxes. So you are helping them out by removing the books for free. Facebook Marketplace, just go on there, super simple, type in free books. You can also do these for these two options here. Type in free books and you will find books for free. You'll find listings of people that have just a garage filled with books. So those are 4 different places, really 5 if you include this app, which is a mixture of these two. 4 different places to get books for free. Now what I'm going to show you guys how to do is how to list a book. And I told you guys, books without barcodes, sometimes they're hard to look up. So I'm going to show you guys a quick little hack to find out if this book's profitable instantly. So you don't want to use ScoutIQ for books without barcodes. What you want to use is this app called the Amazon Seller app. So this is the Amazon Seller app on this account. I have multiple accounts. I've sold $33,000 in used books. Previous month I did $80,000. You can see I'm 59% down. I don't say it to brag, I just say that to show you guys what's possible. So you can scan the cover. You see this? This is insane. I'm gonna do it one more time on my face just so you guys can see how crazy this is. Do you see that? It is literally scanning. I don't know if it's gonna come up with a book right now on my face, but it is scanning anything it can find. It came up with something. Oh, I think it scanned her dress. It's coming up as purple. It's funny. Let's see if it was scanning. That's insane. Anyway, so you're gonna scan the book like that, and when this comes up, it's gonna come up with different options, but you're gonna find the one, so Gentle Madness, you find the one with the lowest sales rank, so the sales rank's right here. So if you guys do wanna do this for absolutely free, you can get started with the Amazon Seller app, but just know this app is not gonna do the thinking for you, but I'll show you what you wanna be thinking when you're looking at this app. So real quick, we're looking here, you wanna click on used. So you wanna click on the used, and you're gonna look at the FBA offers. So you wanna make sure that this book is profitable, which my rule is if it's over $10, especially for a book this size, if it's over $10 used, and if it's under 3 million rank, so the sales rank is shown here. This is 815,000. It's not bad. If it's under 3 million rank and it's over $10, I pick it up. And I'm not just saying these numbers, I've really thought about these numbers, and that's what I have my employees do when they're going out and finding books. That's what I do myself when I'm finding books using the Amazon Seller app. I just look real quick, is the FBA offer over $10 and is the sales rank over 815 or under 3 million? So it's 815,000 in this case, so that's good. So by the way, I know this is kind of complicated. So if you guys want to learn more about this, I'm going to show you guys how to list a book in a second, but we do have a free training every Sunday, 3 o'clock p.m., where I give you the 5 secrets to starting a book business. So we will go over more in depth what those different numbers mean, sales rank and profitability prices. So just know that. Okay, so when it comes to listing this book, the cool thing about this app is it's actually super easy to list the book. So here we are. What we're gonna do is click on list down here, and then you're gonna select the condition of the book. So this book is in very good condition. So I'll put this as very good condition. Condition note, you can leave this blank, or I like to have something along the lines of 100%, and this is how lazy I am, satisfaction guaranteed, ships directly from Amazon. So I have the text coming in there. I use voice text. After a while, put a couple peach emojis in there. No, don't do that. Click period. Boom. So you can copy this and you can put it in your notes to be able to do this wherever you are. So again, this is a 100% free method to list books on Amazon. Again, when you set up an Amazon account, if you're brand new, there's 2 options. There's one option that's $40 per month, and there's another option that is $0 per month. I'll show you a video about the difference between the 2 options, but basically one's a professional account and the other's not. So it's important to basically this is what it comes down to. If you're selling more than 40 books per month, go ahead and upgrade to the professional plan. Also, if you want to use ScoutIQ, you have to have the professional plan as well. So I recommend starting out with the professional plan, but if you're super on a budget and you don't want to spend any money, you can set up a free Amazon account, and they will charge you $1 for each item that sells. So that's why I say if you're selling more than 40 items, it makes sense just to upgrade to professional because you're actually saving money at that point. So know that there's a $1 closing fee if you are not a professional. So come back here, let's show them the rest of this. You don't have to take pictures of the book. When selling books on Amazon, it's not, you're hopping on an existing listing. See, there's already a picture of the book, so there's no point in you taking a picture, it's just gonna waste time. When it comes to pricing the book, again, we go over all the different pricing methods, really 2 important methods on Sunday, so join us Sunday at 3 o'clock, we'll talk about that. It's too much to get into detail right now, but you price the book here, whatever the price is at. This is currently matching the lowest used price. So lowest used price after shipping. For the seller SKU, you can enter something in here, but I recommend if you're doing this technique, just leave it blank, and Amazon will automatically generate a SKU for you. Then you have 2 options down here if you want to prep the item yourself, or if you want Amazon to prep the item for you. We do FBA. All that means is I don't store any of my books. All those books you guys saw over there, that's my personal collection. I take all my books, I have close to 10,000 books available for sale right now. We take all these books, pack them in a box, and ship them to what's called an Amazon FBA warehouse. So all that means, that last option there, it says Amazon will ship and provide customer service. That's nothing to just gloss over. Amazon will provide customer service. That means you don't even have to worry about the book anymore. Amazon's gonna do everything for you. Once Amazon receives the book, they're gonna ship it directly to the customer. They're gonna put cardboard around it. They're gonna put the tracking number on it. They're gonna track it for you. And then they're gonna handle customer service and returns and all of that. That is amazing. So that is nothing to gloss over. The other option is you could say, I want to ship this item myself, but if you do that, then that means you have to know where the book is in your house, which I don't know if I can. If I listed 10,000 books, I don't know how I would locate all of them, so I don't do that route. Also, there's another reason why you want to do this, and we go over this in the webinar on Sunday, but you can actually sell the book for a lot more if you ship it to Amazon. Because you're gonna get this, you're gonna be able to offer faster shipping. You're gonna be able to offer 2-day shipping, so you can sell this book for a lot more. So that's it, guys. If you guys are interested in learning more about all these different techniques, we'll be going over a bunch of good techniques this Sunday, from scanning the book, how to make sure the book's profitable, where to find profitable books. I'll teach you dozens of sourcing techniques, listing, so how to list the books even faster. That's a good technique there. That's a free technique, but I'm gonna show you guys how to list the books faster and at scale. Pricing, we're going to go over 2 really important concepts to really understand before you scale your book business to the next level. So pricing, super important, optimization for your inventory, scaling. So now that you've mastered all of this, we're going to go over how to take your book business to the next level. Now you've mastered this, maybe you're making a couple $100 a week, maybe you're making close to $1,000 a month. How to take that to the next level to where you can have something that could allow you to quit your job, something that could allow you not just to pay extra groceries each month, but to pay off some debt. Something that can allow you to travel wherever you want, whenever you want. Something that can allow you, guys, I make money selling courses now, but all my money's made from selling books. Seriously, I just started selling courses. So everything here, I moved in here 6 months ago in Miami. This is my apartment. I'll be upfront with you guys, I pay $2,000 a month, and that's all from selling used books. I sold $100,000 in used books in August alone. So this is real. I'm a real person in flesh. I'm out here doing it 25 years old. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do this too, check out the free webinar. Link is below. Much love, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you in the next video.
Sir, and welcome to the freaking well show, and party central to my well ones. A night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential, and money speaks, and I'm the main act.